Hello and welcome to Logical Racing TV. We're here to talk to you about the Logical Racing app, which is available for the iPhone and Android smartphones and tablets as well. It's already on sale from the iTunes Store and from Google Play as well. The app uses a unique system of mathematical evaluation to look at each handicap race and predict the best horses in the field. It's a tried and tested system, and it can make your investing in horse racing more enjoyable and worthwhile. Let's take a closer look. We're using this Android tablet to demonstrate the Logical Horse Racing app this time around, but remember it is available for the iPhone and the iPad. It's also available for the Kindle via the Amazon store, so have a look at that as well. The app itself is very simple to use, very simple instructions. The main menu takes you through the whole process of evaluating a race and gives you the final result very quickly after you enter a few basic pieces of information. Crucially, this information is available freely anywhere on the internet or in a specialist racing paper like the Racing Post. The app's also got some information within it to help you through the process. You can just click and read as you go and understand the whole process and what it's based on. The key thing to remember is you're using information and you're entering it into the app, and that information itself is freely available, as we say, on the internet or in any major national newspaper, some regional ones as well, and specialist racing papers like the Racing Post. It's important to bear in mind that we're considering handicap racing only, because that's the only type of racing where the form is clearly available, and the form is something that is crucial to making the app work. But as we say, it's very easy to find and very easy to input. To do a calculation, you simply answer these questions here, which you can see. If you're not sure what these questions mean, you just click on the icon there and you get more information. Things like form sounds complicated, but don't be put off. There is a easy way to look at the form and look at the evaluations that other people have given the horses already before you're considering this race or the race in question, and that's in a simple number form. And there are a range of other pieces of information to clarify any questions you might have in relation to using the app. Once you've done that, you just input your horses in via this very simple process, and eventually it will produce an evaluation of each race. Races with 8 runners or less are the best ones to evaluate, and there are plenty of those about. If you look around at the racing every day that happens in the UK, we say the UK, but this app also functions overseas as well, and we'll be telling you more about that in the coming weeks. So very simply, you will input a number of horses, 8 or less. First of all, you put the number of the horse on its saddle cloth, the actual number it's allocated. There you go. Put its weight in, and again that information is readily available in the paper. I'm just doing this very quickly to demonstrate. Its form, that will be in the form of a rating, a number at the side of the horse, and again if you go onto the website logicalracing.co.uk you will see more information about exactly where to find that, but it is very simple. So we're just putting this in randomly. The app asks you for the horse's last position when it ran last. Again, that's clearly displayed in any of the papers, and how many days since it last ran. Obviously that's a fictional horse that I've just inputted now. You add it, and then you'll see 1 out of 8 horses is saved, and you continue with that process, adding the whole 8 horses, and eventually the app will give you a calculation. I'm not going to do that now because it's a bit time consuming clearly, but you get the idea. Very simple, very user friendly. You just hit the calculate button at the end of the process and there you have it.